Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the Spanish Town Hospital, and we are going to talk about the construction of 5 major hospitals in Jamaica. Some of the hospitals are just new wings going up, and some are being built from scratch. So the 5 hospitals are this one that we're looking at, the Spanish Town Hospital, the University Hospital, the Kingston Public Hospital, the Children's West Hospital, and the Cornell Regional Hospital. Now this hospital was built a long time ago. Spanish Town is the oldest town in Jamaica. It actually was the capital of Jamaica when the Spanish, back in probably the 1600s, occupied Jamaica. So you can see the layout. It's mostly 1 or 2 story buildings, and it's laid out on a lot of land. So as you can see, they're building a new building now. It's going to be 6 floors. So they're actually going to be going up, building the buildings taller. And this is happening at quite a few hospitals, as they just don't have the land space like back in the day to spread out the hospital. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening with the healthcare sector in Jamaica re these 5 hospitals. Now, a lot of times we do these videos and we talk about, well, the tallest buildings in Jamaica are hotels. And a lot of people always ask, so what about hospitals and other infrastructure? So today we're giving you an update on 5 mega developments taking place re-hospitals. Jamaica is undergoing one of the most ambitious overhauls of its public healthcare infrastructure in decades, marked by extensive construction and renovation projects across major hospitals. From Spanish Town to Montego Bay, the government is investing heavily in new medical facilities, modern equipment, and expanded services. These developments reflect a strategic push to improve access to quality health care, reduce patient overload, and ensure that facilities meet global standards. Among the most notable projects are the reconstruction of the Spanish Town Hospital, the phased redevelopment of Kingston Public Hospital and Cornell Regional Hospital, as well as critical expansions at the University Hospital of the West Indies and the newly constructed Western Children and Adolescent Hospital. The Spanish Town Hospital, serving one of Jamaica's fastest growing urban areas, is being transformed into a 6-story state-of-the-art medical facility. The project, which broke ground in January 2024, will include over 400 beds and offer specialized services. Designed with future-ready infrastructure such as electronic health records and smart diagnostics, the hospital will also feature a modern emergency department, intensive care unit, surgical theaters, and labs. As of mid-2025, significant progress has been made on the foundational work, with completion targeted for 2027. In the capital city, the Kingston Public Hospital is undergoing both renovation and long-term reconstruction. Although the full rebuilding of KPH is in its early stages, interim improvements are being made to boost service delivery. These include the relocation and upgrade of oncology services, procurement of high-end diagnostic imaging equipment like CT and MRI machines, and major electrical system upgrades. The government has allocated hundreds of millions of dollars to these upgrades, which will lay the groundwork for a full-scale reconstruction in the near future. Another key institution, the University Hospital of the West Indies, is expanding through the construction of a 6-story medical tower. This project includes 40 new inpatient beds, hybrid surgical suites, neonatal intensive care units, and administrative offices. Funded in part by Jamaica's larger $31 billion healthcare modernization program, the UHII Tower is expected to enhance both clinical services and medical education in the region. In western Jamaica, the Cornell Regional Hospital, one of the country's most vital health facilities, has been the focus of a massive multi-phase renovation. After years of environmental concerns and temporary relocations, work is now in phase 3, focusing on outfitting internal departments from A&E to surgical wards. Administrative services resumed in April 2025 with additional critical units scheduled to open by early 2026. The project's cost has ballooned to over 23 billion, but it remains a centerpiece of national health policy. Adjacent to CRH, the Western Children and Adolescent Hospital, a partnership with the Chinese government, represents a major step towards in pediatric care. Construction is nearing completion with infrastructure largely finished and internal outfitting on the way. The facility will offer specialized services for children and adolescents, helping to ease pressure on Kingston's Bustamante Hospital for Children, which remains the only other full-service pediatric hospital in the country. These extensive hospital projects illustrate Jamaica's commitment to elevating healthcare standards across the island. While challenges such as funding delays and procurement issues have occasionally slowed progress, the vision for a modern, inclusive, and well-equipped healthcare system remains clear. As the new and refurbished hospitals come online over the next several years, they are expected to improve patient outcomes, reduce wait times, and serve as regional models of resilience and innovation in public health. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.